Hello, welcome to Roy's Corner. Now it's exam time and most of the students are preparing for 10th as well as 12th examination. I'm talking about board exam from CBSE, ICSE as well as the state boards. So children are quite busy now and sometimes there are students who are very tense and I'm getting a lot of phone calls. What are the ways and means by which we have to prepare for the examination? Anyway, one important thing is that if a student prepares from the beginning in a very systematic way, I don't think there is any question of feeling stress. So therefore, it is advice to each and every student, at least now onwards, always be up to date. And when you are in standard 10th as well as in 12th standard, you must be very serious with your studies. But anyway, whatever has happened has happened. Now we are on the verge of writing the examination. As you know very well, the exam starts for the state board as well as for the CBSE from 18th February onwards. So I think the time has come now. And my advice to everybody is not to be stressed. Take it very easy, be relaxed, whatever you can do, you do it. But one important thing, we have got certain ways and means by which we have to find out how we can even now solve the answer scripts. We have to write the answers. Therefore, one needs to note down certain points which will definitely help them for this examination. Suppose you are preparing your plus 2 examination with a view to appear for a national examination like NEET or any other examinations for competitive, for professional courses. So therefore, you need to know what is the syllabus and examination pattern. What is the weightage of marks for each and every question? How the syllabus has been designed. This you need to know from the beginning, even now also. At the fag end of the examination now on the verge of the exams also, you need to make a note of it. What is the weightage? What are the pattern of question settings? So you bifurcate each and every question sets. For example, you are studying for physics. You should know the pattern of question paper for physics. Suppose you are preparing for chemistry. You should know the pattern for chemistry. Suppose you are preparing for biology. You should know what are the intricate mark configuration for biology. And English is also very important. So, and mathematics is an analytical subject. What is the weightage of marks given for each and every section of the question paper? So you need to have a clear-cut idea before you go into the examination. Now, because time is very less. So whatever time is at your disposal, you have to first of all find out what is the syllabus and pattern of the examination, which already your teachers might have told you. But even then, you should make a clear-cut. You need to have a clear-cut idea, have a file of the syllabus and exam pattern, and how you are going about performing the subjects depends on the way you have this kind of, the way you prepare for the next few weeks. So therefore, you need to give impetus for the syllabus and examination pattern. What are the question criteria? So you bifurcate that, have a notebook for each subject separately. 1 mark question, 2 mark question, 3 mark question, 4 mark, whatever it is there, whatever configuration of mark sheet script is there, we just make a note of it. And this is the first step. As for science examination, because we are now concerned about the science examination, so the next pattern, the next important thing that you should make a note of it is about the conceptual clarity, or we call it as key concept. What are the key concepts involved in particularly for these subjects, whether it is physics, chemistry, biology, and what are the diagrams that are going to come that you need to practice. And because in physics, principles are very important and even there are numericals, so you need to know what are the basic formulas, what are the basic concepts. So once you have an idea of the clear-cut idea about concepts, I'm sure you will be able to do success. You will attain success. But one important thing is, don't try to memorize each and everything. So you'll forget it, because memorization at this stage will not help you. You need to have clear-cut points, go on expanding that. This is one of the best ways of performing in the examination. Now, is not the time to memorize each and everything, because a lot of stuff is there. It will not go inside your brain. So conceptual clarity is the next point that I am trying to highlight to you. Now it's the time, because now you got a clarity about the topics that you have to prepare. Now you have prepared it. The next is practice with the previous question papers. Your teachers will definitely guide you. Along with that, what are the question sets that are available at least for 4 to 5 years? You practice with that. All the topics definitely will be covered in the question papers, and the question papers must be fully comprehended by you. What is the pattern of the question papers? How the question papers have been designed, and what is the pattern? What are the questions that are coming? What are the topics that are being highlighted from time to time? Because certain topics frequently are asked in the examination. So please give impetus to that particular topic also. So practice with previous year's question papers is very important. So you need to have a clear-cut idea. And for this also you need to prepare. I think by this time you should have all the previous question papers with you. So these question papers definitely will give you an idea how to answer it. Before that, one thing is that you must do some writing work also, because one time writing is equal to 2 times reading. So definitely you need to perform the writing exercise. Don't unduly give importance to the questions or to the topics that are not having any highlight in this particular syllabus. Give importance to the topics that are going to be asked in the examination, so that you will come to know once you have a clear-cut idea about the configuration of your. The next thing that is you have to be organized, stay organized, because